My experience, family horseback riding by John Jairo Franco. In December of last year, we were in Oaxaca with my wife and 2 children. We went in order to go horseback riding and visit my aunt Teresa, who works in the stable. She has worked there for 5 years and has invited us on several occasions to the stable. We have traveled to this municipality before, but it is the first time that we go to the stable where she works. As soon as we arrived, my aunt was very happy to see us. We talked for a while, and after this, she invited us for something to eat. We went back to the caballeriza. My aunt says to my daughter, "I have prepared a horse for you. You have riding this year." My daughter replies, "I have no riding since November." My son interrupts and says to my aunt, "I have no riding on horseback for 4 years. I am afraid of horse riding." She smiles and affirms, "The horses here are very tame. Don't worry, we all ride on horseback, being a very nice experience for everyone." We said goodbye to Aunt Teresa, and at the end, he asked her where my cousin was, and I did not remember that my cousin has gone to chill to study. At the end of the afternoon, we decided to go for a walk in the municipality, and we found a place to play militejo, where I beat everyone. I had played this game several times, so I had more practice than my wife and children. On the way back to the parking lot, we realized the wat had lost the car case, for which we returned to my aunt and all the place we visited in the area and did not find the case. We had already looked everywhere for the case, except my daughter's bag. Luckily, the case were there. This day has been very remembered in our family. Since we had found, we had the scare of the loss of the case. Call my aunt every week, but I haven't talked with her this week. Thank you.